Can you really reverse disease like diabetes and heart disease?
So that has been the excitement and thrill of my life, and why I became a physician to begin with, to be able to have the pleasure and rewards of working with patients one-on-one and having their disease reverse themselves. And over my career, we've seen people get rid of their psoriasis, psoriatic arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, asthma, headaches, fatigue, joint pains, brain fog, reverse heart disease, normalize their blood pressure, normalize their diabetes, and normalize early stage dementia as well. So
Wow.
we've seen so tremendous effects. And so I see doctors discussing, oh, they've got people who they reversed their lupus, or they've got a person who have lymphoma who reversed themselves. But I have been doing this for so many years. I've had all those cases, with exciting cases with so many people who got well from lupus and mixed connective tissue disorder and Sjogren's syndrome and psoriasis and rheumatoid arthritis and ulcerative colitis. And sure, we had to tweak the diet, and sometimes we had to incorporate some fasting management in there, and sure, we had to use the correct sometimes treatments but the overwhelming ability of a doctor specialized in nutrition can afford people the opportunity to get off their drugs, reverse their diseases, and still live a long lifespan. And what I've seen happen is even people coming to me in their late 60s and 70s with cancer or heart disease has been able to get rid of it, who will be in recovery, and live a long life and still live to be 95 to 105 years old.
Yeah.
So
You've seen people with heart attacks.
I have some people have the heart attacks, have the severe heart disease, recover, and still live a long life, because I've been doing this for so many decades.
Yeah.
And I've seen people who, like the woman who made recovery from ovarian cancer when she had ovarian cancer in her 60s. She's still alive right now in her 90s. And the person who had lymphoma, who got well from non-Hodgkin's lymphoma from following this diet, in her late 60s, lowered her cholesterol, reversed her blood pressure. She's still alive. I'm seeing these people prolonging their lifespan, doing great in their later years, which has been a real encouragement and excitement to see that, yes, these people who didn't live healthy and developed diseases can not only reverse their disease, they still can have the hope of living a long life in good health, is what we're seeing.
Totally. And I think what's so cool that I see firsthand at the retreat is some of these people get off medications and start to see really positive outcomes in a very short amount of time, which is just amazing. Truly a miracle.
After 20 years of doing everything wrong.
Right.
And in 1 month, their diabetes is gone. And in 1 month, they have normal blood pressure.
Yeah.
It's like, imagine it's 75% of the people at the retreat with diabetes or high blood pressure become non-diabetic, or the blood pressure normalizes and get off all medications within 1 month. That is kind of amazing how fast the body can repair itself or start to heal. But that's just the beginning. They got to keep losing weight and keep moving in the right direction.
But what's good is that you've reiterated time and time again, with a little practice and dedication, eating this way is totally sustainable, and you could do it easily and every day. It's not short term. It's for the rest of your life, but that should make you so excited.
Right. And the longer you do it, the better, easier it gets. The more you like it, the more you learn the recipes, the more you do, your taste buds adjust. And so the trick is for people to try to adapt this and see this as a blessing, as fun, frees them up and gives them the peace and the fearlessness to live their life without fear.